The camera industry has shifted dramatically toward mirrorless systems, but that does not mean DSLRs have become obsolete or worthless. For professional photographers and serious enthusiasts, DSLRs continue to offer genuine advantages that mirrorless systems have not fully replicated. Decades of established lens ecosystems, proven reliability under demanding conditions, and affordable used markets make DSLRs sensible investments in 2026. Many photographers, particularly those with experience using traditional DSLRs, find little reason to abandon working systems that perform flawlessly. DSLRs continue to deliver professional quality images and video that satisfy demanding clients and projects. The used DSLR market provides exceptional value for photographers beginning their journey or expanding their capabilities. This video counts down the 6 best DSLRs that genuinely still make sense purchasing or using in 2026. These cameras represent the pinnacle of DSLR technology, combined with proven reliability and affordability. Number 1 is the undisputed king of modern DSLRs. Let us explore the best cameras that professional photographers continue trusting with important work. Number 6. Canon EOS 90D. Starting at number 6 is the Canon EOS 90D, a capable crop sensor DSLR that delivers professional quality results at reasonable investment. This camera features a 32-megapixel sensor with excellent detail and dynamic range. The autofocus system includes 45 focusing points covering the frame comprehensively. Video capability includes 4K recording at various frame rates. The electronic viewfinder provides bright, clear framing. The weather-sealed body handles rain and dust effectively. The battery life exceeds 1,400 shots per charge. The build quality is solid and professional. The Canon lens ecosystem offers endless options at all price points. Used examples available at significant discounts. Professional photographers use this camera successfully. The sensor quality rivals full-frame cameras for most applications. The crop sensor provides additional reach for telephoto work. Clients cannot discern image quality differences from full-frame alternatives. The 90D delivers exceptional value for working photographers. When you need professional capability without full-frame investment, the Canon 90D provides excellent performance. Number 5. Nikon D7500. At number 5 is the Nikon D7500, a robust mid-range DSLR designed for demanding professional photography. This camera features a 20.9-megapixel sensor with excellent low-light performance. The autofocus system includes 51 focusing points with 3D subject tracking. Video capability includes 4K recording with external microphone input. The weather-sealed magnesium alloy body is built for professional conditions. The viewfinder provides bright, clear framing. The battery life exceeds 950 shots per charge. The build quality is exceptional and professional. The Nikon lens ecosystem offers comprehensive options. Used examples provide excellent value. Professional photojournalists trust this camera. The sensor delivers beautiful color reproduction. The low-light performance is superior to crop sensors. The autofocus reliability is legendary. Wedding photographers and event professionals choose this camera. The D7500 continues serving professionals successfully. When you need professional reliability, the Nikon D7500 delivers consistently. Number 4. Canon EOS 6D Mark II. Coming in at number 4 is the Canon EOS 6D Mark II, a full-frame DSLR providing professional capability at accessible pricing. This camera features a 26.2-megapixel full-frame sensor. The autofocus system includes 45 focusing points across the frame. Video capability includes 4K recording with professional options. The weather-sealed body handles professional conditions reliably. The viewfinder provides excellent framing. The battery life reaches 1,200 shots per charge. The build quality is solid and professional. The Canon lens ecosystem is extensive and affordable. Used examples are readily available at discounts. Professional photographers use this camera successfully. The full-frame sensor delivers excellent low-light performance. The color science produces beautiful natural tones. The autofocus is reliable for professional work. Landscape, portrait, and event photographers choose this camera. The 6D Mark II remains genuinely capable. When you want full-frame capability at reasonable cost, the Canon 6D Mark II is excellent value. Number 3. Nikon D850. At number 3 is the Nikon D850, a flagship professional DSLR that continues serving professional photographers beautifully. This camera features a 45.7 megapixel sensor with exceptional detail and dynamic range. The autofocus system includes 153 focusing points with intelligent tracking. Video capability includes 4K recording with professional specifications. The weather-sealed titanium body is built for demanding professional conditions. The optical viewfinder provides excellent framing. The battery life exceeds 1,800 shots per charge. The build quality is professional and robust. The Nikon lens ecosystem is comprehensive. Used examples provide substantial value. Professional photographers and serious enthusiasts choose this camera. The 45-megapixel sensor provides exceptional resolution for large prints. The autofocus performance is legendary. The low-light capability is superb. The image quality rivals current mirrorless systems. Clients cannot distinguish images from newer systems. The D850 represents professional capability at established pricing. When you want professional resolution and capability, the Nikon D850 is exceptional value. Number 2. Canon EOS 5D Mark IV. Securing silver at number 2 is the Canon EOS 5D Mark IV, a professional full-frame DSLR that continues dominating professional photography worldwide. This camera features a 30.4 megapixel full-frame sensor. The autofocus system includes 61 focusing points with advanced tracking. Video capability includes 4K recording with professional codec options. The weather-sealed magnesium alloy body is built for professional use. The optical viewfinder provides bright, clear framing. The battery life exceeds 890 shots per charge. The build quality is exceptional and robust. The Canon lens ecosystem is the most extensive available. Used examples are readily available at discounts. Professional photographers worldwide use this camera daily. The 5D Mark IV has documented countless important events. The image quality rivals systems costing much more. The autofocus is reliable and fast. Wedding photographers, photojournalists, and studio professionals choose this camera. The color science produces beautiful natural tones. The low-light performance is superb. When you want proven professional capability, the Canon 5D Mark IV remains an exceptional choice. Number 1. Nikon D780. Finally, claiming the top spot at number 1 is the Nikon D780, the undisputed king of modern DSLRs, and the final flagship DSLR ever manufactured. This camera represents the absolute pinnacle of DSLR technology before the industry abandoned the mirror. The 24.5 megapixel sensor combines full-frame image quality with professional performance. The autofocus system includes 51 focusing points with exceptional tracking intelligence. Video capability includes 4K recording, with professional specifications and external control. The weather-sealed magnesium alloy body is built for demanding professional conditions. The optical viewfinder provides excellent bright framing. The battery life exceeds 1,500 shots per charge. The build quality is professional and exceptionally robust. The Nikon lens ecosystem provides endless options. Professional photographers worldwide rely on this camera daily. The autofocus performance rivals mirrorless systems for reliability. The image quality is absolutely professional grade. The low-light performance is exceptional and reliable. Wedding photographers, photojournalists, and studio professionals consider this the ultimate DSLR. The D780 represents the final evolution of DSLR perfection. When Nikon discontinued DSLR development, they left the D780 as their legacy. Purchasing a used D780 represents acquiring professional capability proven by decades of development. The value proposition is exceptional compared to newer, mirrorless alternatives. Professional photographers worldwide confirm the D780 as the best DSLR ever manufactured, delivering uncompromising quality and reliability that few cameras from any system can match.